First thing is from Old Navy. Eat.
I got a square one.
Oh no. We're going to Yorkdale Mall. Hello guys, and it is Saturday the 6th of January. I know last time I talked to you, can't even remember, lots of things happened. I went to the gym. I'll insert a clip you guys can see. Back to the gym 3 times a week. We used to do 2 times a week last year, now it's 3 times a week. Yeah, and it's been going great, and we're on a, I would say, health journey. We'll see how long it lasts. No, but we do want to maintain it, so it's not too crazy. I'm just reducing my carbs intake, even though I love rice and bread and everything else. We're heading to Yorkdale Mall. We got some editing to do because our website, hopefully for Sora, will be up and running this month. We are working in behind the scenes, so basically taking the pictures and uploading it on the website to match the product and whatnot. So excited. Anyway, memory card was completely full. Deleted some stuff. We're heading to Square One, and we're going to eat.
I got a square one.
Oh no. We're going to Yorkdale Mall. We're gonna go eat at the Cheesecake Factory. I'm gonna have like a really nice banging shrimp pasta. Cannot wait. And then we're gonna edit, and that's gonna be our Saturday really. Yesterday we went to black owned Toronto and Scarborough Town Centre, checked out inventory, and you guys been loving the soul wrap goodies, so we're gonna have to replenish very soon. And that's about it really. It's been really a great start of the year. Next week is when we'll know in terms of my 9-to-5 job. It's going to be very hectic, so hopefully I'll be able to film content for you, because we are going with the weekly vlog, so we're going very strong. So I'm going to edit this video and you guys will see it tomorrow. Anyway, meet you guys at the Cheesecake Factory. Guys, this is the bistro pasta. I don't like mushrooms, so I replaced it with broccoli. Cannot wait to dig in, so good. The hub's got beef salad. Miso. Okay, we're about to dig in. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Today is Tuesday the 9th of January, and I've been really trying to commit myself to actually upload and vlog every week, so you will be getting weekly vlogs. Tonight I'm actually updating or editing last week's vlog, so you guys will see it. And you also seen, I think, what I've eaten yesterday. I've made a banging, was it, yeah, yesterday, the day before yesterday I cooked, so we had that yesterday as well. Fish curry with eggplant, with roti that I did not make, however, with salad. Oh my god. And ziromo, tout fait ziromo, so pumpkin puree. So good. Love that food. Really nice. So I'm just here kind of like chilling, and also I'm gonna insert the lunch that we had yesterday and today. It is basically a air fried fries, and I've had breaded chicken, which is Eggless, with a salad, fresh salad with cucumbers and whatnot. It is so good, so good. So I'm gonna insert that somewhere here you guys can see. So I will bring you guys along with me in the kitchen, so to show you how I prep it, and I will leave the recipe down in the description below so you guys can make it. I do not use any eggs. It's very easy, and you can store it in your freezer, so then you can have quick lunch whenever you fancy, and it's really amazing, really good food as well. So yeah, And what else? I hope you guys are having a really good start of your weekend. I hope you guys are having a really good start of your week, not weekend, and that everything is going well. It's actually snowing today, very yucky snow with rain, so it's going to be like a heavy, slippery type of weather. And obviously there's no sun, as you guys can tell. It's already dark and it's 4:41 p.m. so it's kind of the end of my day in a way. So I just wanted to like touch base with you and show you guys some few bits and bobs. Don't think I'll be able to do that tomorrow morning, even though it will be better lighting. We'll see how it goes. If I'm not able to show you that tomorrow morning, I'll most likely show you the stuff that I've gotten today, and then I'll bring you guys along with me to the kitchen. Yesterday I had a really good workout at the gym. I'll insert a clip as well here so that you guys can see. It was really, I wouldn't say it was an intense workout, but definitely actually worked out my shoulders, and you know, did some workouts, lifted some weights, hit my chin because I'm still learning. But yeah, anyway, let's get to showing you what I've gotten in the mail with the Boxing Day sale. Still having some few bits, and I'm very excited to show you. There's one item that I most likely will keep perhaps for the end of this video, but there's so many cute bits. Let me show you. Let's get started. Alright, first thing is from Old Navy. I know already what it is. I wanted to get a pair of leggings for the gym. They were on sale as well, and I love anything that has like a black tone thingy-majig, and I got it in a large petite. Ooh, they are nice. Oh my god guys, I love it. If let's say it didn't have like any black, I would not love it as much, but since it does have black, this is so funky and super nice. Love them. They had new pieces in. This is not from the new pieces, so I grabbed it because it was really good price. I think I bought it for $22 or $23. Usually they are like in the 40s or 50s, but yeah, I love that one. So nice. I'm sure it's gonna fit me. It's in the large petite size. Let me show you the next bit. Then this is from Gap. Well, it's Old Navy, but parent is Gap and whatnot. Gotten 2 sports bras in the large section. Oh, love how cute the back is. I don't know if you guys will can tell, but it's gonna look really nice. And those ones you can wear. Which I buy 2 of the same kind. Okay, now this one is different. Oh, this one, the back is more open. This one, it's less open. They gave me the same, I think. Yeah, they gave me the same. Both, yeah, they gave me the exact same. Well, I don't mind, because if it's gonna fit, I'm just gonna take it, because it's really good. Looks really good, and I've been really wanting to get a really good good sports bra. They're both light support. I don't need a lot of support, to be honest. We'll see how this goes. I might remove the padded portion. I'm not too keen on the padded portion, but they look good for $22 for those sports bra, and I love wearing black, so that's perfect for the gym. Next thing, oh, I know what's in this one. I definitely know what's in this one. This one is a jumper from Aerie. I'm obsessed with the jumpers, and they were on sale, and I got the grey because I don't own any basic grey. I wear the jumpers every day to work. Not every day to work, when I'm actually scheduled to go in the office. I just wear like a jumper, a scarf on, leggings, and I'm sorted. This is really good quality, so got that. Let me move on to the next jumper that I've gotten, because we went to, oh, you guys seen it? We went to Erie. We went to Yorkdale Mall, and I had to go to Erie just to see what's going on there, like, you know, all the deals. And now let me show you what I've gotten. I've gotten another jumper, and then I've gotten like a face mask from Face Scrub Angel on Bare Skin from Lush. I've gotten this one. It's an oatmeal color. Really like the neckline because it's like mock neck type of thing. It's gonna look really good with my turban. But I've gotten this one. It's different from the one that I've gotten before, so gotten that. And then let's see, oh, more packages. This one is from I have no clue. Oh, Aerie again. They had a sale going on, and I've gotten, it was $30. I've gotten the burgundy one in this color, medium short. Yeah, US medium short in this color. I love the leggings, so I've gotten this. And for the last piece, and I think I haven't shown you what I've gotten from the previous last week vlog. But I've gotten 2 things from Morphe. They were on sale for $13. Got the all bronze metal and the pretty in peach. It's really good. And then I'm testing out the Milk Makeup Grip Eye Primer. I've used it once, so far it was good. It used glitter on it, so it was good. Let's show you the last piece. This guy, I've gotten it from an Etsy shop, and you guys know my love for bags. Cannot wait. I've been wanting to get this, and you know, I didn't want to pay for GPs. There are no GPs, and I hope the quality is as good as I think it is. Okay, I'm gonna scream. It smells exactly how I wanted it to smell. Oh my god. I'm sorry, but what? Like, what? They gave me a pouch. So cute. They gave me this for free. I'm telling you, this craftsmanship is amazing. Just some bit of, like, you know. Oh my god. So nice. Okay, wait, I need to put it on for you guys to see. Okay, I am ready for Mauritius. I haven't booked any tickets yet, guys. I'm just manifesting, inshallah it happens. But hello. I mean, it is the perfect size, and it has like a lining inside. Okay, it's really amazing. Oh my god, it's so gorgeous. I love it. This screams me. I love this bag. That was the piece that I wanted to show you. It is absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna remove the actual tassel because I'm not a fan of more bedazzle. I find it a bit tacky if it's gonna add that to it, but just the bag in itself is gorgeous without the tassels. It's so beautiful, so beautiful, and I love the size and love how you can use it as shoulder bag, but I love the gift too. I absolutely love this, so nice. Definitely have to do an unboxing for this baby. Anyway, I'll bring you guys along with me to the kitchen, and this can be put on the doorknobs, and then I'll bring you guys to the kitchen with me and show you how you can make what I've made in terms of the breaded chicken. So easy, and I'll leave the recipe down below as well. Okay guys, I'm in the kitchen currently, and what I'm using is the breadcrumbs, the plain one, and just laid some breadcrumbs in a plate. And I'm going to open the fridge, and I let the chicken marinate overnight, and this is how it's looking. Chicken strips. It's not too thick in terms of how big it is, and I'm going to use another plate to put those in, and then kind of like let them, just start to place them, and then I'm going to put them in Ziploc bags because it's easier. I'm going to show you the batch that I've done, and this is the batch that I've done. There's only 2 left with the breadcrumbs, and I've used wax paper to kind of like separate them, but this is usually what I do, and it goes in the freezer. So let's get to doing that. Super easy, and I'll show you how it is. And it's all done. It's gonna go in the freezer, and then the key is to actually get fresh chicken breast, and then you can marinate it and freeze it. Do not defrost chicken and then refreeze it. That wouldn't be a good idea. Easier when it's like fresh, and then you can make it and marinate it, then freeze it. So yeah, that's the recipe, and I hope you guys enjoy it.